Imagine the possibilities of a machine that provides the practitioner with detailed information on your cellular health. Imagine receiving answers to your many years of health issues. This is all possible with BioTracker.
So in serving my patients, the clients that I get to work with, I do first and foremost a very extensive intake where I write down literally from top to bottom all the symptoms and all the problems they're going through, and I try to understand what we would call a full and complete case history of the patient. After that, I utilize this computer. This is a BioTracker computer, and its catchphrase is accessing the genius within. And by utilizing GSR markers on finger and toe points, we can find out by GSR how 30 different systems of the body are working. And this is very important because by this we can find the most affected system. We can find the areas where the body is short or not doing what it's supposed to. The history of this equipment is quite interesting. It started when a wonderful German doctor who was also a electrical engineer by the name of Dr. Voll, after studying extensively Chinese acupuncture, where they read the pulses and they check out the energies, electrical energies on the hands, he said, well, there must be a way to measure this. So he started with a very primitive volmeter. And with that volmeter, he was actually able to see the gauge shift when you hit points and work with that. So it went from there through what was originally called EAV, or electroacupuncture, according to Voll, and then it went on to where they actually took his work through a project at NASA and through some extensive, brilliant quantum physicists, able to take his work and convert it through computer systems. So by taking the samples of things he tested and putting them into a binary code and then turning those into frequencies, we've been able to test the 30 different systems of the body, and through that 35,000 bits of information. So I can access information on bacteria, virus, vitamin mineral levels, amino acid levels, toxins, literally thousands and thousands of things that we can tell about the body by using this equipment. So I find it to be a very, very effective tool. It gives us baseline indicators of where a person is when we start with them, and we see therapeutic improvement by them the patients taking the therapies. We retest and we see where their improvements are. So very, very effective and simple, safe, non-invasive. It also accesses information through DNA, so I'm not limited to patients that would be just in Connecticut, but I can see patients literally around the world. By just getting a DNA sample, I can run their systems as well. Hi, I'm Bear Walker. Thank you so very much. It would be an honor to serve you. Please contact us so we can set your appointment.